Hello everybody, my name's Ken. Today I would like to discuss, is channeling safe? And the question is yes, it is safe. A lot of times people will ask me, they'll be like, well, I don't know if I want to take your channeling workshops because I don't want to open myself up to something I shouldn't. And I get it, I get that. That's a lot of fears that a lot of people have. What I've noticed is that people are already channeling. We've been channeling our whole entire lives. Have you ever had that message, like that time when, maybe you were a kid or something and you're like getting these nudges, or even lately, you might have been getting these nudges or inklings to do something? Oftentimes that's your channeling, your spirit guides trying to give you those kind of like directions and guidance. That's what channeling is. And have you ever had those other times when, maybe you're talking with somebody and you're like, all of a sudden you give this message and they're like, whoa, how'd you know that? Or that's so profound and that's exactly what I needed to hear. That's what channeling is. So we've all been doing channeling. What I do is I teach people how to channel safely so that you know what you're doing, you know how to do it, you can make sure that you're doing it in a fun, good way, and it's just a safe way to do it. Because yes, there are things that are not of the light, and I'll teach you about that. And then of course there are things that are of the light, and I'll teach you how to make sure that you're only working in the light, only channeling the things that you're supposed to channel. And so we're already channeling. Why not just learn how to do it in a fun, safe way? Now, a lot of people, they think, oh, if I channel, like it's this Hollywood kind of thing, where it's like they're going to be this huge, it's not. Really, honestly, what channeling is, it's just you're getting these inklings, these messages, you're getting it from your spirit guides. In my workshops, I'll teach you actually how to know which ways your spirit guides are actually trying to communicate to you and how they're trying to get those messages to you and how to get very specific, detailed, useful, practical information in different areas of your life. So you actually know how to use that information and make it applicable. So a lot of us, what we do is we channel, but without realizing we're channeling. What I do is I teach you how to channel to make sure that you're using it intentionally on purpose and how to receive and extract very specific, detailed information from your spirit guides and do it in a very safe way to do it through all the areas of your life, right? Wouldn't that be fun? That's what I do. So that's the difference between, if you're ever worried about, well, if I start channeling or if I take your channeling workshops, is it going to open me up to something I shouldn't? No, it won't. First of all, you're already doing it. Second of all, I'm going to teach you how to deal with anything that you come across that is maybe not of the light so that you know how to deal with it and what to do with it. My name's Ken. Have a great day, and we will talk soon. Thank you.